Hi, I'm Zach Wiewel. I'm an attorney and partner at Texas Trust Law. You're receiving this video because you're one of our trusted advisors who have helped our clients build and maintain their wealth. What I want to talk about in this video is what we call family wealth protection trust. How do we make sure that your wealth goes down through the generations in a way that's special? Now, you can give money to your kids, your loved ones, in one of two ways. One's just an outright distribution. It goes into their own bank account, and there's nothing wrong with that. Where that child, where that loved one own will or own trust says, that is where that money will eventually go. The other way to do it is what we call a family wealth protection trust. It just goes into a sub-trust that is created on death. And you put all the inheritance into that sub-trust. Now, the benefit of doing it this way is three. First is all those assets receive divorce protection. So if your child, your loved one gets divorced after you pass away, that ex-spouse cannot take that inheritance from your child. It's powerful. Another thing that it receives is what's called asset protection. If they get sued because they rammed over all 9 Supreme Court justices, well, they can sue the child and take the child's own personal money, but they can't take the inherited money when it's set up in this way. It's asset protected. Another benefit is it also receives bankruptcy protection. So these assets are protected during the course of a bankruptcy proceeding if an heir's, a child, a loved one's business doesn't work out. So those are some benefits. One final benefit I want to talk about is the ability to roll that wealth over generation over generation. You can build in terms to these trusts that allow a child the power, or take away from a child the power, to direct money to people when they die. You can mandate that this money has to stay in your family. It has to go to the grandkids, or it has to go to your siblings. You can control where it goes for up to 300 years in Texas. It's powerful. Now, I'm not really sure what was happening 300 years ago in Texas, much less in the United States. But that is a way to keep wealth generating, keep your family provided for all the way through as long as there's money there. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 512-480-8828.